Hello, welcome. It's Mushan Payeski. I share my daily vlogs, learning experiences to inspire you to discover the extraordinary things in ordinary lives. Today, I'm going to talk about something different. It's about how I saved the rice cake that looked moldy before and now turned into a very, very yummy dinner for me and my stepdaughter. My stepdaughter actually is eating it now. How do you like it?
It is very special and it's delicious.
Thank you. Yeah, this dish, if you go to a restaurant, it costs a lot. And I used very, very simple ingredients. Just a chicken stock, rice cake, kimchi, and shrimp. And then put some chives in the end. Probably you don't see it very often, see people save some food because it's already moldy and you still can eat it. And in fact, my husband and my daughter, they are not eating it because they are afraid. The reason I know we can eat it because I grew up in a rural area and I know how hard to make the rice become to this form. Do you know how much time it takes to get this? It took months to grow the rice, and after the rice is done, you need to dry the rice with the shell. Then, I don't know what's that process called. Then take off the shell, and then you need to grind it to be powder, and then powder to be batter to be this shape and cut. So the process takes very long to get this. So before I decided to toss it in the garbage, I took a look at it, and there were good ones, and even the pieces that on the edge has the mold, I could cut it. So I just took some time to cut it and thought it's a meditation. And in the end, I saved the rice cake and made a delicious dinner. One is that don't discard something quickly, even if you see something imperfect from the surface. Sometimes you can discover something very good or save something very good. It reminds me of marriages or relationships. Sometimes there are imperfections, but if we put work into it and discover the good parts, we still can save something, can create something beautiful. Another message is that because I grew up in a rural area and I grew rice, I know how hard it is. I really appreciate the work that a simple piece of rice cake took. So I want to just share this message, and I hope everyone that's watching this video can get inspired to appreciate other people's work more, regardless they're just cleaning lady, janitors, or construction workers, or waiters, waitress. Two messages from my food. One is don't discard something too quickly. Really put some effort to it. See if you can save something actually beautiful and valuable. Another message is that cherish other people's work. It's not that I can't afford the rice cake. Several dollars I can afford, of course. But instead of discarding it so easily, I saved it. And I made a beautiful bowl of dish, and I enjoy it with my stepdaughter. We have a great time. And so by appreciating others, sometimes can benefit us deeply, and also will add the satisfaction in our lives. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. Went to a yard to get this chives.